This is me cutting hair while it's pitch dark using military night vision goggles, and it was not what I was expecting.
You look evil right now.
To make this video much more challenging, we decided to cross the US border down to the south of Texas to make it feel a little bit more real. So basically, we were in Mexico, and definitely not the safe side. This is Arlen. He's basically our guinea pig when it comes to trying new challenges, and I know I'm known to miserably fail most of them, but I truly feel like this one isn't even going to be a challenge. Now, this location is known for its drug smuggling and trespassing, so it's definitely not something to play around with. Bro, it's literally freaking like midnight. Are you ready? And there's a full moon, bro. That's insane.
Bro,
like what a coincidence.
First off, what the is he wearing?
Bruh, I'm like feeling the day, you know what I mean? I'm feeling the video. Full combat boots, obviously shorts because I feel like, you know, a little.
Who the f are you gonna come back?
Chill, chill, chill. It's not time to roast me right now, you know? Yeah, we ready. We got the whole ass pack. Usually people have like handy dandy military tools, but we got our barber tools.
I see you, I see you.
All right, so these guys are telling me this scene right here, basically we're crossing the US border, which is pretty insane. You guys will see the border right now, like the literal fence. But the thing is, these guys are saying that this whole scene is in Call of Duty. That's insane. I really feel like I'm in a freaking video game right now. So now that we're in video mode, I don't know if Arlen's being real or not, so he's just trying to scare me.
What the f am I doing going first? You go first. Well, they warned us that there's rattlesnakes, wild boars, coyotes, ticks, tarantulas, scorpions,
and much more.
And much more.
But nah, we got this shit.
I don't think we can top this.
Off in the oh,
yeah, bro, my heart's beating, bro. Bro, I have a weak heart, man.
Okay, I don't want to like make it obvious, but the tower right next to us is probably watching us right now. That's kind of like the US border thing. But if you look this way, this is the actual border right here.
US?
US? Uh-huh. Mexico.
I feel like the snipers are watching. For real, for real. I know we're gonna get border patrol on us right now.
Yeah, for sure. For sure we're getting border patrol on us, but I mean, we'll just tell them we're filming a video, like it'll make it different. And just a couple seconds after we said that, it's like they almost heard us.
How far are you going?
I don't know. It's I'm trying to find like literally some trees I could put a camera on. Basically. Or because I'm supposed to be cutting hair in night vision, within night vision. You know what I mean? Okay.
But you're not gonna leave it there.
Oh no. No, I have my own like little jet.
Yeah, everything's here.
Yeah, man. I mean, I don't see a problem with it.
Okay.
If somebody asks, obviously we're gonna have to tell you.
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Got it.
All right, man.
I
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it. You know, if something were to happen to us right now, we don't stand a chance, right? Like it takes maybe a mile to get back to our car. Not even 2 miles. Okay, but you know we have one problem.
You have a chair.
Yeah. You're gonna be right here. Shit, bro, I just heard something. Okay, I'm just gonna do
Nah, we actually nah, we that. I'm not gonna do it.
Look, right here.
You just heard something.
Alright, so all lights are going off in 3, 2, 1. It's all night vision from now on, so. Gosh, bro, this is insane. Bro, what the f? Oh, what color do you think my cape is in this night vision?
Oh, white.
It is
green.
It's light. It's white, but it's black in person. Like it's actually black, but it's white in freaking camera. Okay. Hey, can you face that way?
No.
How am I gonna cut your hair?
You're gonna go behind.
Oh God, bro, this is insane. Oh gosh. Okay, well. I'm sorry, sir. What was it?
A drop V with the.
You look f***ing evil right now. You look evil right now. I'm not kidding, I could only see white from that f***ing baseline, and that's it.
Is that good?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I had no clue what I was doing, but I didn't want Arlen to overreact, so I just kind of stayed calm. So out of all the challenges I ever do, I'm never confident. This one, totally confident. It's just like different fucking colors. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit, is that a man bikini?
It's that new, you know?
Oh, guy.
In the damn wilderness, you know?
I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
I know we're being watched right now, and like I know Border Patrol is literally like, what the f are those guys doing? Are they really cutting hair out here at freaking 2 in the morning?
People are out here trying to smuggle people. We're over here trying to get a haircut.
I know, right? Now, aside from trying to cut through night vision, we started hearing voices and branches cracking. It just made it so much more uncomfortable.
What was that? Point the light.
Where?
Where?
I don't know.
Wait. Oh my God, I can't really see that in here, and I'm doing a good ass job. I'm not kidding. Yes, and I should stop cussing. CBH, I don't even know if I have a guard on or not.
You do.
I do. Oh boy, I see that dark spot right there.
Dark spot?
Oh, as in like I left a little chunk, you know? On camera, it looks faded.
For real?
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna take a little peek. Let me see. Okay, that's not bad. I'm actually proud of myself.
1 through 10?
Little slight 10. I want to get the out of here. I'm not gonna lie. I feel really uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Like, not as in the night vision goggles are good on my face and everything like that. It's just the fact that this
fucking
environment.
environment,
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
That's actually nice, boy. That's actually nice, boy. You look crispy. You feel me?
Shut the up.
Yes, sir. Looks pretty fire to me. How does that look like? Let me see. It actually looks pretty good. Okay, so now that I could actually judge one side, because we only focused on one side, I don't want to be out here for too long because it's very, very creepy. We've heard so many things in the freaking bushes behind us, and the fact that we're out here kind of doing illegal things is not really my preferred freaking style video, but we managed to get this entire freaking haircut right here, and it looks beautiful in my angle, in my end. Me personally, I'm gonna rate it at 9.
Oh, shit. Okay.
9 out of 10, you know?
That's not bad.
What do you feel like it is right now?
Honestly,
Like from 1 to 10?
probably like a 4.
A 4?
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Aside from the fact that we just heard someone in the back literally talking, I think it's time to get out of here. I've always wanted to do this video, and it's amazing that we finally got to do it with actual night vision. So that's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz. We're out, baby. Peace.